Hi, I'm going to talk about the use of QR codes in my application, as it's the glue that binds everything together really, and the idea. So why QR codes? I chose QR codes because I can generate them for free, compared to say its counterpart in NFC. NFC would be pretty good and stuff like that, but I feel like since I can generate QR codes for free and attach them to keyrings, which can be attached to dog collars, um, I don't feel it's stopping me in any way. So that's why I chose QR codes, and it's easy to contain the information, like the page URL inside the QR code. So I'll talk you through how this QR code works essentially. In the front end here in profile component, this is the QR code. The value of the QR code and what it contains. What this contains is this URL here, its location. How am I setting this location? I'm setting it here in dog profile component.typescript, and I'm parsing the location that I'm currently in, and I'm setting this location parameter or variable as what I've parsed. So how am I using this QR code here? It's through the import in my app module.typescript. If you go up here, so I've imported QR code module from Angular to QR code. So, and I've also listed it here as an import. So that's what allows me to use QR code components in my HTML. And when I scan this, it brings me to this URL. That's how essentially it works.